Wow, wow, this is a phenomenon. Yo, what's up, my beautiful people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, the last time I did a reaction to ENHYPEN was like 6 months ago, and I didn't get the chance back again to check out any more tracks. But I've seen a new released track video, and this track video is called Daydream. So, I'm literally excited. I want to learn more about ENHYPEN's music and what are their capabilities. But I can see that this track is a time span of 1 minute 24 seconds. So I get it's a track video, so I was expecting that amount of time span. So people, without further ado, let's see what ENHYPEN has to do on this 1 minute time span video. Let's dive in. Peace. Well, I do like the braces. I do like the grills on the teeth. It seems cool. Seems really cool. So let's continue. Yo, this is gonna be a cool video. I can tell. It's gonna be a cool video. Damn, bro, I do like the whispering. It's neat, it's cool, and I do like the friends that is surrounding him. All right, Daydream, very great topic. This song is loud. Oh my god. Okay. I'm enjoying it. Trust me. Yo, I love it when this guy sings. It reminds me of a wonderful, peaceful day on earth. Especially an enjoying momentum that you are enjoying so much throughout the day. Damn, peaceful voice, my bro. Bro, it's neat to see this, bro. It's neat. Trust me. Wow, this is a phenomenon. The music sounds good. Yo, the music, it's sounding good. Damn, I do like when people are being jovial, you know, have a great sense of humor. And I always say this about ENHYPEN. They are some great guys with some great sense of humor. Daydream, be left. Nice one, guys. Nice one. So if you guys enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video. You know, smash the subscribe button. Turn the bell icon on to be notified of whenever time an ENHYPEN reaction is being released. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, these wonderful guys.